All right, so yesterday we spoke about algebra and then we learned a lot of wonderful things. And we said algebra has to do with fixing parts, right?
Yes, sir.
And then we also spoke about the various parts of an expression and what makes up an equation. We said that when we have a term, then we have a variable. Do you remember that?
Yes.
What's another name for a variable? It starts with P.
Pronumeral.
A pronumeral. So the variable or pronumeral. Then we also have a constant, which is the number that does not change.
Yes.
Then we have the what?
Coefficient.
The number that is connected to
The
the variable. So all those things together makes up an expression. We have what?
Operation.
We have the operations. So the operations are plus, minus, multiplication and division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Is that okay? So we mentioned all those things, and we said whenever we put an equal to sign to, and then we also mentioned that whenever we add an equal to sign to two expressions at both sides, we are looking at what? An equation, right? So we will be doing something today that will be operating with algebraic expressions, but we'll focus for the first lesson on just addition and subtraction. So now, for example, if I have something like this, x plus 5 equals to 10. As when you watch this here, the first rule is we would want to make sure that these two parts are all balanced, right?
Yes.
Now, we would want to also, this is what we are looking for. So you are asked to find the unknown, which is the missing number. Now, to find the unknown number, you'd have to do everything for the unknown number to stand out. You want the unknown number to be alone. So to make this to be alone, I could remove 5 from it. Can you see that? So I can remove blue marker and a black marker, right? And I want the blue marker to be alone. What do? I just take this one out, right? I'm going to have this one to be alone. So all I'll do is that I'll subtract 5 from this side. Is that okay? So this guy is going to be alone. But then, since this side and this side are the same, whatever I do to the left, I must do the same thing to what?
The right.
The right. So whatever I do to the left, I'll do the same thing to the right. So I have x plus 5. And I want x to be alone. So I'll subtract the same thing from this other side. Are we following?
Yes, sir.
So what would I have here now?
5.
No, the 5 is gone. I've taken this thing minus means I've taken off the 5. I would have what?
You have box.
Box, which is in this case what? The x, right?
Yes.
Good. So what will I have at this side? I've taken 5 from 10. What will I have left?
5.
5. So x is equal to 5. Do you get that? Now let's check whether our answer is correct. So to check the answer, we'll replace the x here with 5. So let's see if it works. So if x is equal to 5, wherever I see x, I'm going to put 5 over there. So let's see if it works. So 5 plus 5 is equal to what? 10. Therefore, my answer is correct. Is that okay? Now let's try another one. I'll ask one of you to do it. So let's see, we have x plus 15 is equal to 20. Right? What do I want to be? What must I make to be alone? What am I looking for in this question? Yes, we are looking for the unknown, or we are looking for x, right? If I'm looking for x, what do I do? What's the next thing I have to do?
You subtract.
Subtract what? Subtract the 15, right? Okay. So I'm going to subtract 15 like this. But then, is that all?
No.
What should I do again?
Subtract another 15.
So whatever I do to the left,
You do to the right.
I do to the right. So what do I get? That will be x is equal to what? What's 20 minus 15?
5.
Perfect. So 5. Are you following? Yeah. So let's check if our answer is correct. So 5x plus 15 is equal to 20. So let's see. 5 plus 15 is equal to what?
20.
So therefore our answer is correct. 30 is equal to 15 plus x. 30, it looks like I've just changed the positions. 30 is equal to 15 plus x. What am I looking for?
We're looking for the unknown.
The unknown now. Where the unknown number is what? Here is what? What letter is represented with the unknown? X. Exactly. So what do I do?
You minus the 15
From
the 15.
exactly from both sides. Is that okay?
Yes.
So I minus 15 from here. Now if I minus 15 from here, what do I get?
You get 0. And you get the x.
You get, so 15 minus 0 plus x. Exactly. So but we just write just the x, right? Then we put, what's 30 minus 15?
15.
Is it 15? Is that okay? So x is going to be equal to 15. Is that okay? Now let's try and see if it works. It's equal to 15 plus 15. What's 15 plus 15? 30. So number 4, right? What if we have the question this way? Can you all pay attention? All right. We have 15, or let's say 30 is equal to x minus 22. What do you think I'll be doing? Watch here. I have 30 is equal to x minus 22. What do I do? What's the first now? I want x to stand alone, right?
Yes.
So what do? I would want to do something to this guy to make x to be alone, right?
Yes.
I want to do something to this guy to make x to be alone. But in this case, if I subtract, x is already being subtracted. So to make both sides be balanced, I would add 22 to this side so that minus and addition always cancel each other. You add 20, you add positive 22, you add 22. Is that okay? But when I add 22 to this side, what do I do to this same side?
You add 22.
Exactly. So you add 22 as well. So now what do I have at the end of the day? I would have this part and this part to be 0, right?
Yes.
So x will be all by itself. What's 30 plus 22?
It will be 52.
So 52. So x is equal to what? 52. Now let's try it and see. So let's put our answer here and see. So 30 is equal to 52. Or let's see if 52 minus 22. What will it give us? What's 52 minus 22?
30.
30, exactly. So it means that our answer is correct. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now let's try another one, a simpler one. Let's say turn is equal to x minus 4. What do I do to make x to stand alone in this case? You add, exactly. So you add 4. But whatever I do to this side, I'll do the same thing too. All right, 4. So that will be 14 is equal to what? X, right?
Yes.
So now let's try it and see if it works. What is 14 minus 4?
0.
All right, so that's it for. So we'll do the next lesson. That will be on subtraction, division, and multiplication of algebraic expressions. All right.